Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Calculator tutorial. In this video, we will show you how to use the cash flow functions to find the net present value. For example, you have an opportunity to invest in a startup for 1 year with a commitment of returning $500 each month from the 1st to the 6th month, $1,000 each month from the month of 7th to 11th. You will get $4,000 on the last month. How much should you pay for the contract if you wish to yield a yearly rate of 15% on your investment? First, we get started with clearing the previous data and set the payment setting. It is better to clear the resistors before input new data. To do that, tap yellow shift and clear all. Because you will not get the money as initial investment, then it will be zero. Set the initial cash flow of 0 into CFj. The cash flow number will display. Note that the J stands for cash flow number. It is an integer from 0 to 99. Because you will receive $500 each month for the first 6 months, you enter 500 as the amount of cash flow. You will receive the same amount of money for 6 months. Therefore, enter 6 and tap yellow shift and NJ. Similar way with the cash flow from the month of 7th to the 11th, but this time you will get 1,000 for each month. Enter 1,000 and tap CFj. From 7th to the 11th month, the duration is 5 months. Then set 5 into the yellow shift and press NJ. You will receive the final payment of 4,000 on the 12th month. You set 4,000, then tap CFj. Since we want to yield 15% for this investment, set 15 into IYR. To calculate the money you should pay for the contract, tap yellow shift and net present value. The result is $10,790.83. That means you should invest $10,790.83 for the contract. Could we discuss more to reduce the investment to $10,000 and see how much interest yield after 1 year? You are going to edit the initial cash flow with the new amount of money is $10,000. It is a negative number since you are going to give your money out of your pocket. Enter 10,000, negative sign, and tap yellow shift, STO, CFJ, and 0. Then tap yellow shift and IRR per year to calculate the annual nominal yield. The result is 26.04%. It is a high yield interest, isn't it? Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this amazing financial calculator app, please click the App Store link in video description. If you have any questions, please feel free to email us at support@buddycalcs.com.